This video I've got a couple more a couple more polygons to find the area of. And so I'm going to concentrate on the fact that I've got a trapezoid here and then a square with a side of 4 feet. Now, in one instance I have a picture, and so it's going to make it a little easier on me, but I still have to know the area of a trapezoid. And the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. Remember, the bases of a trapezoid are those sides that are parallel to one another. And so I'm just going to identify them. This is, I'll call 7. We'll call this base 2. I'll call 4 base 1, and 3 is the height. And I'm just going to mark them just for my own sake, And so I'm just going to plug those in. So I've got 1/2. The height is 3. And base 1 is 4, base 2 is 7, and so that's going to give me 1/2 times 3 times 11. So if I write 3 as 3 over 1 and 11 as 11 over 1, that's going to give me 3 fractions, and I multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. So I get 1 times 3 is 3, times 11 is 33. 2 times 1 is 2, times 1 is 2, and so it's 33 halves. Or, if you're really liking mixed numbers, this is 16 and 1/2, or 16.5. And it depends on the units you're using. As long as they're all the same, this is units squared. And so now, here I have a square with side 4 feet. The very first thing, if I'm given words, I'm just going to go ahead and write the description down. I have a square, and its side length is 4 feet. Well, now I know that means that the other sides are 4 feet also. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark those down. But if I know the area, because we're looking for the area, then the area of my square is equal to my side squared. So that's going to give me 4 feet squared, which is 4 squared is 16. Feet times feet is feet squared. And so I've got an area of 16 feet squared, or 16 square feet. Okay, don't forget, when you find an area, the dimensions are going to be 2, and so you have a square on the feet, the square on the unit. Either way, whatever unit you're working with, that's what you've got. And so you can use that to kind of guide you as to say how many times do I have to multiply something.